23rd. I just had to think about it. Okay, September 23rd, and I am getting ready to go ahead. I pulled out some of my sweet potatoes a couple days ago, thinking that maybe I could leave some in to let them keep growing. Here's the ones I pulled out. I got potatoes and sweet potatoes. So I thought I could leave some in to keep growing, but it got cold, so you see me all bundled up. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the rest, probably go over to the rest of the regular, I think I had some russet potatoes, pull those as well. So let me see what I can get out the garden. I'll see y'all in a minute. Vines are coming from, so I can see where to pull. On this side, you see I have a lot more leaves. I want to keep some to keep them propagated, so maybe I don't have to redo it next spring. So we'll see if we can keep them alive in the house. Over here's where I have my corn growing. You can see it's dried up. I dug up a few of them a few days ago, thinking I had more time, but I didn't. So we'll go ahead and see what we can harvest right now. Oh my goodness, guys. I got some. I know they're not that big, but it's my first year. I could almost shed it. I could almost shed a tear. I got some. This is some, this was one of my compost piles. So that's why you see the leaf mold. And you see wood shavings. So it's not completely broken down compost pile, but I thought it would do good for my potatoes. And like I said, I'm new. I'm just trying to grow some things, you know? Oh my gosh. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me get a thumbnail. That's what they say. Take off my gloves. Oh my goodness. I did it. I grow sweet potatoes. You about to get the fun ones. Yes, don't break it. Oh my gosh, that's the biggest one. Oh wait, I ain't even got it all. Hold on, let me see if I can get you better. Look at it. Hold that bad boy up. Clean off the, some of the roots. Let me get a thumbnail of that. Oh, how you do it like that? Oh my God. Gargantuan. Whoa, that would have been freaking longer than a mug. Yeah.
That's it for that. Wait.
Yeah, right. You ain't gonna got through all that soil. We ain't even dug yet. Like we ain't even. Let's see if I can show y'all. That's the ones over here, and then we still got these over here. So far we probably got. How many pounds of sweet potatoes would you say we have? At least 5, 10. I don't know. We are definitely between 5 and 10. Because we definitely filling up the bottom of that bucket. Woo. Okay, we just took a minute to regroup, get those, get those moved over. Let me get y'all a little close up of that. Look at that! Ah! Still coming? Let me see. Okay, still got more. We have the regular, I can't remember what they call the orange sweet potatoes. So some of the, I can't even remember their name, but the orange sweet potatoes, we have the purple sweet potatoes with purple flesh. You can barely see it in there. And then we have red sweet potatoes with white flesh. I'll show y'all. I'll get you a better look, like this one. Red sweet potatoes with white flesh. Then we got purple sweet potatoes with purple flesh. And then we got the orange on orange in there. Woo. And then this is my husband, Mr. BlackYard gardener. And he backing that thing. Well, no, he ain't backing it up. I don't know what he doing, but I know he pulling out sweet potatoes though. Like they carrots, and I don't know what he doing. But look at all shapes and sizes. Look at that. He had to start doing it because I was getting like lightheaded. I'm tired. Ooh, uh-oh, you broke that one. I told you, take your time now. Oh, take your time. Okay. Let me see. Let's see if I can pull some of this like this. I'm gonna use this to propagate again because it has, look, it'll show you which kind of sweet potato it is. This is the red with the white flesh, I think. So I can use that and make sure I have some of those. See? And then I think I got some orange already. There's my pile of trash over there. Or compost, I guess. I'm not called trash. Compost. And look, I cannot believe it. I can believe it, but it's like so amazing. And we haven't even used our we haven't even dug deep yet to see if we like missed anything. Here goes see, look, like this. The orange, the little tiny orange are hanging off of this. So I know if I propagate one of these leaves, I'm gonna have orange. Or what do you say? I'm not trying to propagate, but I'm trying to, well, maybe that is what it's called. But I'm gonna use those to grow more slips off of. Okay, you'll see my shadow over here, but he moved over there, so I gotta come over here. Okay. Still finding some. Uh-oh. Slow yourself down, sir. Oh, I ain't even getting them on camera. Okay, there you go. Look at him working in that dirt. Now, you tell me one thing. Tell me something. I know y'all like that dirt work. That's soil. That's the one that broke, yeah. Whew. Now, who gonna clean and cook all those? Who's gonna clean and cook all those?
You gotta get down to your bottom of your leaf pile. This is all leaf.
Yeah, we'll see because I'm about to break into all that. You can do any part in the middle because well, not too far on the edge because you'll throw my dirt out.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's like playing in the snow. What'd you say? I don't know what you said. Look at that. See, look, this is there it is. That's perfect. Look at that. That's what you put in the water and it grows roots just like that. Boom. Now I know I got orange. And I wish I had the right names for y'all. But orange sweet potatoes. Regular sweet potatoes.
Regular sweet potatoes.
Oh my gosh. I don't even know how to explain how exciting this was. And this was the first time we've ever done it. Like we planted them May 22nd, I think it was. If I can, I'll tie that video into this. We put them out May 22nd. I came through and fertilized them maybe 3 or 4 times with some of that organic fertilizer. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited.
So I think we left the perimeter of leaves.
Pretty good, yeah.
Around on the outside.
Okay, so let's try to do some cleanup work. I'm gonna put y'all down.